everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you few skirt designs which are made from these type of brocade fabrics. These you can pair with any type of plain crop top like white, or you can pair with peplum tops also. So please continue watching the video till the end so that you can know how you can style these simple brocade skirts.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.